Yo, what's up? It's already Nyapi is finished and we are in Legian Street, legendary Legian Street today. Let's see how does it look like. Many of you missing the place. Today we're gonna show you. Currently we are at the front of the Mama's German restaurant. It's pretty busy inside. There is the Vietnamese restaurant and some others. And overall traffic situation on Legian Street looks like this one, just at the front of the corner of Gang Benasari. If I'm not mistaken, always is busy here. And so many this motorbike's coming, car reversing because I believe somebody must be coming other car from the opposite direction. This is Jalan Benasari, and overall that's how the situation. Also locals with small babies driving like this one here and there. Yeah, welcome to Bali. Loud bikes. This is Legian life, huh?
Mess is come back.
Also some Aussie lads already here. You know, as they are from Aussie, if they are driving without helmet and saying Aussie, 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 oi,
And also
oi,
the
oi.
hairstyle, the mullet, or
Bogan's
something like
mullet.
that.
I was Google it. Bogan's, I don't know if why, but this is
Like
this
this
one.
style, cut off this one and then big mustache.
The pad bar is here and it's also not so bad. There are even some people inside, yo. So it's actually not that bad. But after that, after all of these restaurants, it's a little bit quieter here. But it's alright, it's alright. And this is the sandal shop. By the way, if you need sandals, no shortage there. Anyways, regarding the Bogan's mullet, I don't know if it's called Bogan's mullet, but I was Google yesterday. Literally yesterday was the mullet hairstyle because I was thinking to have it actually. I was thinking so many Aussie lads coming here, and since I was thinking it's gonna be cool, but you don't like it. Winnie don't like it, so probably not. I already have a mustache actually, just needs to make a little bit shave here and there and will be like this. I don't know if it's called Bogan's mullet or not, but that's, yeah, the monkeys, yo. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You see people from Melbourne, Australia here. So I was thinking that will be a cool idea actually with the Bogan's mullet or whatever it's called. But yeah, maybe next time. And also regarding this people who are driving without the helmets with the small babies, I just showed you the family 2+2 local people. And last time you see the foreigner in Ubud like this one guy with one baby, and there was so much controversy about that. I just wonder if you guys also gonna comment about this local family as they are driving like this one, because I think they both should be equal. It's both dangerous, very dangerous. If they crash, well, you know the consequences. Yeah. Meanwhile, after that, I want to show you Legian Street. Also, Sky Garden is open. I heard. There is the Adi Dharma Hotel Legian open again, and the Fashion or something hotel refurbished, and the live band here. Check this out. But pretty empty inside. But the live band is it. And overall, that's how it looks like. Legian Street. Slightly more busier than I was here last time, that's for sure. The Joker is here, something new. Check this out. Hi there. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. You see happy people inside? Jokers, like this one. And I don't know what is this hotel, 14 Roses Hotel, also seems open. Many businesses actually come back to business on Legian Street. However, it's not that like it's used to be, not yet, but well, it's going slightly better and better. That's very big improvement. Warung Kmina here for everyone who are interested. Check this out. Also not so bad. Live band everywhere. It's Friday afternoon, by the way, today. So it's not so bad. Check this out. Local tunes. I mean the classic tunes actually. And the Starbucks is open here, and the Deck Hotel, everything is actually together with loud bikes, everything is back. And the massage lady, hello. Hello. Overall, I think people are generally more happy on Legian Street right now. The traffic situation still looks pretty empty actually to compare to what it was, of course, what we remember, right, from previous years, but it's, well, slightly better, all right? Here we go. This is the legendary Coffee Pot, one of the first restaurants here in Legian. Very cozy actually, and not so busy, but there are some people inside. It's very cozy, I could say even very romantic, to be honest. And yeah, overall that's the look situation. Also quite a lot of local domestic tourists in Legian actually. So it's like situation briefly looks like this one. Yes, Saya?
What's going on?
Scared?
No, it's just like the taxi business is already back and everything, you know.
Yeah, feels nearly as it's going back, yeah?
Yeah.
But still, you know, like
Stay
empty
optimistic.
building, and this one is for rent, and this one, and this one, and this one here that touches. Well, still 50% of businesses are closed, unfortunately. However, where there is the Kuta Bomb monument, the Sky Garden, I heard is open, and that's why I'm heading there right now. Meanwhile, that's the situation on the streets. Like this one, I mean, you see, you can feel it, how does it is. I don't need to say much more actually right now, right?
Oh, wow, look at this Australian-owned tattoo studio. So nowadays the trending is just about, you know, about Russian, Ukrainian who has a business in Bali and working illegally. One thing that I just thinking, you know, coming in my mind is that how about the Australian-owned tattoo shop like this? Why nobody complain about Australian-owned business? Why always only Russian and Ukrainian nowadays?
This is big mystery actually, but this one is gone. You see, decontracan. That means the business is out.
Yeah, but the previously, you know, there are so many Australian business here in Kuta Legian. Why they don't never complain? They never complain about that.
I don't know.
You can comment here.
Next to the Burger King, closing near to the Kuta. Actually, this is Kuta almost. There is something new. Beauty spa paradise, pinkish and lights. Looks nice. Nice, Saya, nice. Not bad, huh?
You know, with the ladies dressing up like this,
Red dress.
and then the ladies trying to approach you to come inside the club, the nightclub.
This is the different name now. It's called
Yeah.
Brothers Nightclub. It was 86 or something.
A little bit remind me of the Bangla Road in Pattaya.
Or Pattaya.
Oh, Pattaya, a little bit.
Little bit, yeah. Little bit, yeah.
Same,
That's-
but different.
Same, but different. Anyways, this is already the mini Indomart next to the Kuta Bomb monument here. This is actually a very important corner in Kuta Legian situation. Yeah, actually, usually it's busier here, but also the VIP at the front is totally closed and gone. Somebody wanted to have a pizza with me here, but the VIP is gone actually, unfortunately, made in different occasion in different bar. Ground Zero kitchen here. Taxis honking here. Hello, how you doing? I'm fine, thank you. Local Bapa taxi driver.
Yeah, and I think that the busiest in spot in Legian at night is just here in the ground.
Or
zero
used to be,
area.
because actually it's not that busy anymore. Long time ago it was busy. Happy hour. Oh, happy hour here. Hello. Very good, very good. Thank you so much. So happy hour, some bar here. Like I mentioned actually, the VIP is under construction, but it's already for half year and nobody doing anything there as I see. And this is actually exit from Poppy's Lane 2, I think.
Somebody say
Yo,
hello.
what's up? How you doing? And another local family with all the kids have a
Thank you.
no helmet.
Enjoy your time.
Here, trying to enter the Poppy's Lane 1. Parents have a helmet, but kids don't have it. But kids are small, right? So this is the whoa, yo, what's up? How you doing? Actually, this is proper example. They have a helmet. Anyways, this is the Poppy's Lane 2 or 1 exit actually.
Two.
2? Alright, cool.
Yeah.
And this is a Sky Garden, but I don't know if it's open at Friday or not. Maybe open. The situation of Sky Garden looks like this one. As you see, they cover most of the building, but it's open. Open 7 days a week, they said right now. So it's actually like this one. But it's maybe like a partially only. Doesn't look very optimistic though. But it's supposed to be open though. It's Friday 9 p.m. by the way, but maybe open at midnight, I don't know. It used to be open daytime actually. 5GX also. Yo, what's up? How you doing? But 5GX is open again. Sky Garden is open actually, but doesn't look like it was famous like long time ago, right?
Yeah. I read that it opens in February last month, and yeah, what I can say then seems like the vibe is still not optimistic.
Not optimistic. Yeah, I mean, it was open during the daytime. I remember I was once having a lunch there.
Yeah, maybe the trend, because the trend now is about beach club, you know, people prefer to go to beach club over this one, kind of the club like this.
Yeah, could be. Anyway, there's the construction of this hotel, what was next to it, next door, and K4 Hotel or some J4 Hotel, another place for rental here, just in case if you would like to open something. And then there's legendary Paddy and Banti discotheque. Yeah, but overall situation is like this one today. Not that bad, but not so wow at the same time. And actually you can see also from the other direction, Sky Garden is technically open, but I don't know actually, it looks like this one. I mean, I leave it for you to comment. What do you think about the situation of Sky Garden right now? It's definitely not like it used to be, because everybody remember how it used to be packed actually. Even during the daytime, not even at night time, but this time like was packed. Well, at least it's open. Happy days. In case if you ask, now you can come. It was closed for like 5 or 6 years. Bounty discotheque. I know there will be hundreds of people saying now as this area is famous at midnight, but we all know and remember as at 9 p.m. it's supposed to be already busy. And in Thailand it's already busy at that time. The people don't waiting to come here at midnight. And I don't believe really as actually it's super packed here at midnight. However, I may come to check this out. If you really ask me to do this, why not? Midnight Banti discotheque, the Paddy discotheque, both of them have a loud music, both of them they actually same own. And yeah, that's how does it look like. Paddy maybe have some people inside, somebody drinking right now, but yeah, that's it, huh?
Yeah, so what I can say then?
not that wow. But yeah, I will leave it that to you to comment, and this is some local bar here, espresso bar, Reborn. Alright guys, that's how does it look like Legian Street, 9 p.m. actually 9:30 p.m. right here, right now. Guys, do you still remember Banti discotheque, and there was like so many drag queens performing in the Rio de Janeiro outfit and dancing, and so many people, like the place was overpacked and people were dancing on the streets and the traffic jam was like terribly busy and everything. Unfortunately, this is just memories in my head because currently it's not like that. However, I leave it, is it busy, is it quiet, it doesn't really matter, it's definitely waking up. I leave it the rest into comment section. Thank you so much for listening. I will see you tomorrow. As always, see ya, take care.